everyone, this is Manica and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about that one lipstick which is just so favorite and you're so obsessed with that lipstick that you don't want to waste even a little bit of that lipstick. Just like me, I'm so obsessed with this shade and this lipstick, but because of its packaging I'm not able to take this thing out. But I don't want to waste this lipstick of mine. So here's a simple way to use your lipstick till its last bit. And for that you need your lipstick, one microwave safe ball, one empty container and one knife or anything to take this thing out from your tube. So what I'm going to do is take this thing out using this knife. See how much lipstick it was going to get wasted. But I don't want to waste my lipsticks. Now as you can see, I have taken almost everything out from this lipstick, actually as much possible as I can. So see how much I have taken out from this lipstick. Now I'm going to melt this thing in microwave. Now as you can see कि हमारी लिपस्टिक मेल्ट हो चुकी है. इससे पहले कि ये ठंडी हो जाए, let's just pour it into our empty container. So you have to heat this thing for like 1 minute in your microwave, क्योंकि हमें इसे मेल्ट करना है, इसे बर्न नहीं करना है. So after it gets settled, I can use it as my lipstick using the lipstick brush. So I hope that you like this method. If you do, then please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to press that bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Bye bye.